Arduino is a versatile open-source hardware and software platform designed for a wide range of purposes, primarily in the field of electronics and physical computing. Its purpose is to make it easy for hobbyists, makers, students, and professionals to create and prototype various electronic projects. Here are some of the main purposes and applications of Arduino. Learning and education. Arduino is an excellent platform for teaching electronics, programming, and physical computing. It's widely used in educational settings to introduce students to these subjects in an accessible and hands-on way. Prototyping and rapid development. Arduino boards are used for quickly prototyping and testing electronic projects and ideas. They allow users to iterate and experiment with hardware and software before building a final product. DIY and maker projects. Arduino is at the heart of many do-it-yourself, DIY, and maker projects. Makers use it to create gadgets, robots, home automation systems, art installations, and more. IoT, Internet of Things. Arduino is a popular choice for IoT projects. It allows users to build sensor nodes, data loggers, and devices that can be connected to the internet to collect and transmit data. Robotics. Arduino can control and power various types of robots, from simple wheeled robots to more complex humanoid robots. It's used in both educational and professional robotics projects. Arduino's purpose is defined by its flexibility and adaptability. It is a tool that can be applied to a wide variety of projects and applications, limited only by the creativity and ingenuity of the users. Its open-source nature and active community contribute to its ongoing development and popularity in the world of electronics and physical computing.